Hello guys, this is Technophile and this video is about best earphone under 2000 rupees. How I got to know about this earphone. So let's start from the beginning. I had to purchase a good quality earphone for my YouTube channel for doing voiceover and also for gaming and music stuff. So I started searching on Google that the best earphone under 2000 and I found almost 5 to 10 earphones in this range. Then I compared all of them in detail considering these 5 qualities. First, build quality and durability. Second, mic quality. Third, bass and surround. Fourth, service rating. Fifth, premium look and comfort. And this earphone satisfies all the criteria very well. MRP of this product is 2490, but on Amazon India it cost around 18 to 1900 rupees. Okay, let's unbox this. As the main highlight of this product is extra bass. Yes, it has really deep bass notes. The earphone is designed for the EDM lovers and it also gives immersive experience while playing games like Asphalt 9 and PUBG. Because it has 12mm driver unit which provides perfectly balanced sound in detail. It has tangle-free cable serrated design to keep your earphone knot free and the cable length is approx 1.2 meter. Take a closer look of the earphone. It looks premium, lightweight, it's almost 8 grams. The electric blue color and the shiny metallic finish is so eye-catching. It has built-in microphone with one dedicated button which is designed to control music hassle-free. Let me give you an overview about how it works. Single press to pause and resume. Double press to next track. Triple press to previous track. It has L-shaped gold-plated 4-pole mini plug. The shape of plug is good for gaming with comfort. Moving to the box. In the box it includes a user manual, a premium quality carrying pouch, has 4 sizes of silicone earbud, 3 in the box and 1 is installed on the earphone. That's all in this video. You can ask any question related to this video in comment section. For more contents, please like this video, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends, follow me on Insta, Facebook and Twitter. All the links are added in description. Keep loving and supporting. Thank you.